Hard coding passwords in your compose file. Here's how to pass environment variables the right way. The most direct approach is the environment key. Inside your service definition, add an environment block and list variables using key y equals value format. For example, setting DATABASEURL port and debug explicitly. There's also a shorthand. If you list just a key y name without any value, compose looks that variable up in your current shell environment and passes it through. This is perfect for values that change between developers' machines. When you have many variables or want to keep them out of version control, use env_file. You specify a path to a file, typically just .env, and compose reads each key equals value line and injects them all into the container. You can list multiple files. They apply in order, with later files taking priority. This keeps your compose YAML clean and makes switching between local and production config trivial. 2 more points. A .env file in your project root autoloads for variable substitution in the YAML itself, like a dynamic image tag, not injected into containers. And on security, never hardcode secrets in the compose file. Use Docker secrets or a dedicated vault instead. Use environment for inline values, env_file for cleaner config, and never hardcode secrets in version control. Like and follow for more. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.